We all know that as responsible adults, you should be investing your money, but many of us don't because we don't have what is known as an investing strategy. What is an investing strategy? I'm glad you asked. An investing strategy is the approach you take towards investing your money in order to grow your wealth. Think of it the way you think about your style of dressing, which could be anything from traditional to semi-casual to business formal to trendy. In the same way, your investing style could be anything from value investing to growth investing to buy and hold investing to passive investing or any of the other styles of investing. At the end of the day, your investing style or strategy is just your way of thinking that shapes how you both choose and manage the various investments in your portfolio in order to help you meet your financial goals, manage the risks that you take with money, and grow your wealth. Be sure to like and subscribe because in subsequent videos, I'll be looking at the different investing strategies or styles so that you can figure out which style is best for you.